Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do an Eid look for Eid al-Fitr. I'll just do a simple eye look because I don't want anything super duper makeupy, because I usually don't do anything so much in detail for Eid looks. It is mostly a simple Eid look. I have a very neon greenish dress with neon pink on it, so maybe I'll do a pink makeup look with simple pink eyes and bold neon pink lips. So before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And you can also follow me on Instagram. The links is there in the description below, and all the products whichever I'm using, they are nothing new. They are all the products which I usually use on a day-to-day basis. It will be linked in the description below. So let's just start the video. First I'll just prime my face using the MAC Strobe cream because I want a nice glowy face, and it's been a really long time since I've done any videos. I think in the month of Ramadan this is my first video. Now I'm doing my foundation. I think I'll do one more video, let's see, on Eid. Maybe it will be more of a smoky eye look because I love kajals and usually I used to do that only. Something is wrong with the pump. I don't know why, but the pump is not working. I'll zoom you in. Yes, much better. Now we'll do concealer. I'm not telling you guys all the products and showing it to you because it will take a really long time and I don't have anything new. So tell me guys, what's your plan for Eid? There is, I think, 8 days, no, around 5 days holidays for Eid. So what's your plan? I don't have any plan. I'm just going to sit at home and watch television as usual. And yes, I'm gonna go and watch the movies Bharat and Aladdin on the same day. Actually, I wanted to make a video about shir khurma, how I make shir khurma, but I seriously don't know whether I'll be able to do that. Now we'll set our under eyes with a loose powder. We'll powder our face and then we'll go with the eye makeup. I'm setting my under eyes first, otherwise it will start creasing. Don't forget to set your smile lines. For eyes, I think I have two palettes. I have the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. This is a very colorful eyeshadow palette, so it has a lot of pinks. So I have that, and I have the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. This was her original palette. I love these top shades, so maybe I'll use a pink shade. I'll take this first pink color and I'll put this in my crease, and after Eid, maybe from next Monday, I'll have regular videos on YouTube and Instagram. and there are a lot of new products which are released mostly from Huda Beauty. I'm gonna order all the 3 neon palettes and few new lipsticks which she has released. Then we can do videos related to that, and I also want to order the new foundation which is the Dior Glow foundation, and the new Laura Mercier, I think it is the Lumiere, I think the glow one. I'm gonna order that and few more things, then I can do review videos on foundation. So this is how my eyes is looking. I just want a little bit more color. Then I'll go with the second pink shade. It is a little bit much deeper than the first one, and I'll put this in my outer part, and then I'll put the rest of the makeup which is left on my brush in my crease. Now I'll go with this pink shade. This is more of a darker pink shade, and I'm just doing it in the outer 1/3 because for the inner 1/3, for the inner 2/3, I want some nice shimmer shade because I have one loose pigment from Inglot. I think I'll use this or any shimmer shade from Huda Beauty palette. I'm gonna take the first shade Angelic. I'll use that, then maybe on top of that we'll use the pigment. I'm gonna use the shimmer shade with my hands because it is much better. Honestly, when I was in India, we usually used to just get up, then offer our Eid prayers, get ready, have shawarma, and then just click a whole bunch of photos. That was the only thing we did when I was in India with my whole family, because I don't like to go out. Now we'll do the lower lash line. For that I am just going to use the darker pink shade, and I'll put it in my lower corner and put it in my lower corner and put it in my lower lash line. Now we'll use the Inglot pigment. This is in the shade 115. This is a nice pinky just dropped so much. I just dropped so much, and I'm going to use this. You can see how gorgeous it is. I think I'll use this. Wow. Now we'll do bronzing. I'll use my the Wet n Wild blush in the shade Peralescent pink. I've started using this brush. This I had ordered, I think, from Desert Cut. It is a really nice blush, and I am very heavy-handed with my blush, so this makes it much easier because it doesn't pick up a lot of product because it is not a dense brush. Now we'll do highlighter. For highlighter, I am going to use my Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Hustla Baby. This is the mini size. This is really beautiful. So guys, I did the rest of my face. I did my eyebrows, my mascara, and I even changed my outfit. I wore few jewelries, some kada and some rings. Now we'll do lips. For that I'm going to use the lip liner which I used in my waterline. Then for the lipstick I'm going to use this Maybelline Rebel Bouquet by Color Sensational lipstick. This is in the shade Rebel 10. This is a neon pink lipstick, so I'm going to use this. Then I think I'll just use a lip gloss. This is from Catrice. This is the Prisma Lip Glaze, and this is in the shade 02 Princess Peach. So guys, this is the final outcome of the makeup. I had this pink details and it is all over my dupatta and my dress. This is my dress. So that is why I wanted to do this pink look. I hope you really liked this video, and please let me know in the comments below whether you liked it or not. And yeah guys, this is the makeup look. So I'll meet you guys very soon. Until next time guys, bye.